So we just left the airport and we're here. I just got a Starbucks drink. I got a green tea frap with almond milk because I'm trying to stay away from dairy. I'm basically transitioning to vegan, so yeah. And sorry, my camera is so foggy, so I'm gonna see you when we get to the place. And you're the car. Yes.
Wow, you passed, right?
Yes, I passed so many times. Oh my god. I watch for these people just to get this Uber. But like, whew, okay, what felt like 20 minutes.
Did you get up Pandora?
Oh, you got it. Oh, look at the baby. That's yours?
Yeah, my.
Oh, wow. My kids don't look exactly the same.
My daughter.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's nothing on my. You got eczema. You got eczema. I got eczema.
Telling everybody your whole life story. Guys, we're here. Look at this superstar. Superstar. I'm the baddest here. I said it.
Like.
That's seriously.
The last time I came to Florida.
I'm the baddest here. I said it. Wait, guys, look at this.
Get in the house.
Oh shit! Pictures.
City girl.
She had to be the one.
And I love natural light.
Ooh. Guys, can we live here? Almost tripped. Guys, so this is the view. Okay. This is the balcony. So we got our little couch area. It's okay. So this is the stairs. Damn, where the lights?
It's a futon.
Wow.
Anyways.
I mean, this
There's 7 of us, so 3, 5. Oh, 1. I call dibs. I tell you that. You sleeping by yourself now?
No, I'm sleeping with her.
You sleeping with her? I don't understand you. From my room, girl. I don't be coming on the phone for a little bit. Raquel said she gonna be. Oh, I gotta call my man.
So let me give you guys a real tour. Yo, why doesn't this light work?
That's a fact.
After the stairs, we got the room.
What's down here?
We have the room. This is the bed. Oh, this is the view. Oh, we got another balcony.
Where is my phone?
Then we have the walk-in closet. Then this is our bathroom. Nice little fancy bathroom. Hi guys. So, and then after we leave this room, we have the next bathroom. What's nice?
The shower head.
Oh, I saw that too. I was like, damn, fancy. And then this is the next room. Yo, they are mad excited. This is the next room. This is the view. I was trying to pull that up. I didn't want to break it.
It's pretty. Why is it not going up more? I don't know.
Yeah, I didn't want to mess with that one. So, alright guys, and then we got this washer. Back downstairs, we have a closet. Oh, I lied. This is the boiler. We have another bathroom and back to the kitchen, guys. Oh, they gave us some caramel. And they gave us a thank you card, I think. Got a dishwasher. Got the stove, the oven, fridge, some cups. Alright guys, so we're by Five Guys. That's the beach. And right now we are heading to Target.
Going to Target to go buy stuff that we don't even need. That's what Target does to you.
We need deodorant.
So we need, what else?
I don't think anyone brought toothpaste. Yeah, no one did.
I brought toothpaste.
Oh.
It's travel size though.
I love it already, guys. I can't wait to take pictures. Like, this legit reminds me of Caribbean, except easier walking distance. Well, yeah, easier walking distance and stuff. And not super, super hot, but just hot enough, I guess. Because it's like really humid out here. And I'm wearing some leggings. She is. I thought she would eat red velvet though.
Yeah, that's it. And that's what she always asks.
I'm trying to figure out what type of cake I can get my sister. And I know she wouldn't like things like that. She'd like to feel special on her birthday. This is actually my first time hanging out with her on her birthday. Sister, will you push me around? Push me around.
Come on to my face, girl.
Why can't you be a good sister? Push me.
That's a good sister to push you around in a shopping cart. You're a big old 20-something-year-old ass.
But you've never done it before.
Okay. Maybe next time when we become kids again in a different life, I'll push you around.
That's gonna take a while. Very long time. Very.
You know when we're gonna die.
Yo. Okay guys, so we're gonna have a little Airbnb haul. So first, towels, because you know you gotta be very sanitary. You don't know who uses towels that were in the house.
Yep.
So $6 towels at Target.
Target.
If you guys, oh, we gotta be bougie. Target. I use the African net. Good up, good up.
That's the best
That's
washer
the
you
best,
ever
y'all.
use.
I hate when you, as soon as you get somewhere, that's when you start
that's
thinking
when
about the
you
things
start
you
thinking about
need.
other things.
You didn't hear me calling Marco?
Hello. There's the whole. You've been calling Marco for
We just left Target and now we're on the way back. That 50% off Uber really be hitting it.
This shit cold.
So guys, they're putting away the food.
Exactly. Why you asking me to record?
So we can, you know, remember these moments and look back and say, wow.
Jackie did nothing but we packed up.
Exactly. I'm glad you're understanding now. So guys, we're about to get ready to put on our makeup. I got my outfit on. Fashion Nova, guys. Ooh. So this is Fashion Nova. Take a video. 21 days. 20 still. Soon 21. Keep dancing this time. Oh, you see that? Guys, take notes. Yeah. Alright guys, I know you're probably gonna get tight because I'm vlogging with my phone, but right now we are walking to a restaurant and show y'all everyone right now. So we're at a place called Ocean's 10 and this is the menu.
I need hot sauce. Right. Thank you. Right.
Thank you.
What's that from? Right. You have hot sauce? He's being a smart ass. No. He was being smart.
Yeah guys, this is the meal. Sorry.
Biggest be like,
that's the best. That's it. 21 bitches.
Yo.
Why are you eating my breakfast?
Your mother told me to tell you not to curse. Wait, that's dead ass.
So y'all, I don't know when I'm posting this, but go follow her on Instagram. Show them the picture. Go like it. Go like it, y'all. Go like it.
Like it out.
Book me if y'all need a photographer.
She catches all angles.
Feel me? Y'all feel me? Yo, she's dead eating my breakfast. Yeah, I was about to say. Eating my breakfast.
I look stressed.
It's that vegan life. Right now, we're just chilling and eating whatever we see. Probably waffles or something.
Everybody literally just got up at 10 o'clock.
That's not that bad. It could have been 12 o'clock. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Stop crying, you look ugly. Happy birthday! Wait, we gotta redo this again for Instagram. Let's pretend. Take out the tears. Take out the tears. Take it out. Happy birthday. Oh, we doing that? Nah, because I was talking to the designer about.
She was like, what cake? And I'm like,
I was like, not even red velvet.
I'm like, but we didn't see that. And we was trying to find a place to, a bakery place. Junior's, but they don't got that out here. Oh, see, that's what I'm saying. If it was New York,
there was a bakery place, but it only had like one slice of cake, I think. I didn't know you was getting the cake.
You didn't know I was getting a cake?
No, I didn't know you was getting it at Target.
Play that song back.
I thought it was just a little cakey.
Ooh, cheesecake. See all the flavors. This is nuts. This is the classic. This
So,
strawberry.
if y'all need to get a quick cake,
Bye-bye.
go to Target.
Target.
Hey, are you riding? So you never ever leave from the. Come on, come on. And hey, JT, do you love me? Hey, are you riding? Hey, cause I want you. Hey, twerk.
I don't want the chlorine to touch my color treatment here, but yeah. Let me see. We're such birds, guys. I'm sorry in advance. We're about to play Marco Polo. So we're back at Target, guys. So, guys.
Nobody get those pictures off of your camera, so.
Oh, no, not now. Damn. I forgot. Hi, guys.
Head to the vlog, y'all.
Just shut up. Always barefoot. Now I gotta do this again.
I have to always take my shoes off everywhere.
But look at her outfit. What's she?
You don't care about niggas in Brooklyn?
No, I should really take off my shoes too.
Yeah.
We are walking to the beach, guys. We just came from a restaurant. Food was okay. I just got like a burrito bowl. I didn't even get to finish a veggie burrito bowl. Yes, that's why. And I got some fries. Can't even see. This is the beach, guys.
But it's cold water though. The public showers. Oh yeah.
Oh, I want a picture here.
That front part is where the party first starts at. Y'all get 2 hours of free drinks. Y'all get unlimited tequilas, unlimited vodkas, and they got the slushy machines. Those will be going. You can drink as much as you want. It's not 1 drink, it's not 2 drinks. You drink as much as you want. Also, the party bus comes at about 11:45. It'll be downstairs. They start announcing for you guys to get your last drinks in. The party bus gonna pull off about 12. It'll take you to Club Cameo. Once we get to Club Cameo, we already got a contract with Cameo from Be Live. So our party bus, you're gonna see a long ass line around the corner, but when our party bus put up, we're gonna go off the party bus, we walk straight into the club. It's a VIP express entry with no line, no wait. Y'all get all that for $40, man.
This is a once in a lifetime. Wait, Chevy, what do you? Look how he's taking it on our phone and we can do what we want with it.
Guys, I did my first laundry. Oh my god. I feel so proud of myself. I've never done this in my whole life. And ta-da! You're good as new.
Okay guys, so we're in a little boutique that we just saw.
Why does it come down?
And this is it.
Try to walk last.
Hey! I wonder what the prices are. This is so cute. They're ready now?
Yeah, come.
Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave beside me.
What's up guys? Right now we're all tired and we're eating some ices right now. So we're about to play Bean Boozled.
Alright, who first? Which way you going?
Let's see. It better be butter popcorn.
You could do break putting the whole thing in your mouth though. I would have too, might as well.
It's butter popcorn.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Like stop. Like
What is
stop
this?
playing this game. Like it's mad nasty.
Ooh, I got the dog food one. It's either chocolate pudding or dog food.
All right.
Lord, Jesus, help me, Lord. I feel like I should touch that one. Yeah, but I don't like chocolate pudding.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like chocolate anything.
Oh, God. I think it's dog food.
You can always spit it out. It's dog food?
Oh, God.
You ate it?
No.
Oh, I smell it. I
feel like I smell it.
Oh my god.
I think I smell it. Hash brown. Guys, we landed safely. My ears popped on the plane. Like, I can barely hear right now. But, yeah, guys. Back in New York. And I want to go back. I miss it already.